Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set audiobook jump on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's the home screen, and go to the lower bar and click to the last button, the account, and here you can find the audio player settings under report an issue button. Click that, and here you can find the first button, the audiobook jump. Click that, and you can set different seconds, 5, 10, 50, 20, 25 or 30. Just select one and click to the OK button. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.